Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, October the 16th, 2023. No, it's the weekend edition of Saturday, October the 14th, or Sunday, October the 15th, 2023. And in this additional, I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two stars Sudoku. So now it's time for the Tectonic, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudoku, and number 7284. 7284. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But this one has 19. And it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, is this really a 1 star? We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, a single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No, I see triple boxes. Triple boxes contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, we have a triple box here. The 1 is already filled in, so those two boxes should be 2 or a 3. 2 or 3, let me mark those. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Do we have more here? Another one. Triple box. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers, the 1 and the 2, well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 2 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 5 in the same area, so cannot place the 5 there. So this box should be a 4. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, we have a quadra box. The 1 and 3 is already given, so the 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. More quadro boxes? No. Then, my next strategy is to recognize some of... My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Let me check. No, only one of this shape. Then the next shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember, well, this should be here, not there. So, could be happen, the mistake. But it's the same. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so 3 goes there. Okay. Here, another one. Okay, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. Yeah. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Not only one. And we have one shape left, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 or a 3. Well, it can be a 3. We have a 3 here. So it should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. So one box left in this triple box for number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Right, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or construction that you need to. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Here also 1 or a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. I've marked these 2 boxes with the 1 and a 5. 1 or a 5. We have a 1 now. So this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. Then this box can be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Then let me see. Well, these 2 boxes, wait. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is connected with that box with 3 and 5. Then these are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And then 1 of the missing number in this area should be a 2. Well, this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. So the 3 and the 5 are left in this area. Let me mark those. Okay. Then this box can be 4. This box can be 3. So 3 and 5 goes. 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Okay. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 here no more. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box with so 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. All right. I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yeah, definitely a 1. Then, yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Should be there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left with a 4 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then let me go up. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. I think. Don't think too long. How about? I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. All right. Then I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. Let me mark those 2 and 1, 2 and 1. Well, this. Let me think. Come on. 2 and 1. 1. I think this box. No. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here, and I need a 4 here. Oh, this box can be a 4, so the 4 should be here. Oh, damn. Well, let me go up. Well, this box can be 4. That box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box, I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left with 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Now these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Should be here, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there, and I've 1 box left in this W area shape for number 4. Finished in 30 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.